Please store your sheet in a separate folder on your Google Drive. Now open USheet. Then click Admin option menu, and click Initial Setup. This will create a report folder in your sheet folder. Inside report folder, 3 more folders are created. Also, the initial setup will create a trigger that will copy the PAN ID of last record in the query sheet on form submission. While you are looking at this screen, in the background a form response has been submitted. Look at the cell F1. PAN ID in the cell F1 will get the results from database. These values will be reflected in all 3 reports. Now, click on Admin option and click Generate Reports to generate these reports in PDF format and stored in their particular folders on Google Drive. Generate Report function will also send the financial year report via email to admin. In case admin wants to receive the other 2 reports via email, simply go to Later Report Logs sheet and change the delivery status value from On Hold to Pending. Then click Admin option, and click Send Report to User. When the email is delivered, it will change the delivery status from pending to delivered. Now, let's check the inbox if we have received the email with 2 more reports or not. Let's explore the last option, which is useful for admin when they wants to query any record by manually passing the PAN number. To do that, go to Admin menu and then click Enter PAN number, enter the PAN number in prompted message and click OK. Then follow the previous steps to generate reports. Thank you.